So I picked up a pair of Brembos for my 2014 Mustang GT, and today we'll be painting them. I got these off eBay. They weren't in a very bad condition. They just needed some paint. Here's the before and after of cleaning up. You just want to remove everything out of the way, such as the brake lines and brake pads and whatever is in the way, and start masking other stuff. I used a wire brush attachment on a drill and just started going over the brakes and removing all the paint. I went the extra mile and made this little stand to make my life easier when painting them, and I just hung each one of them on each side. You want to use some brake clean to clean off any dust from sanding them down and all the brake fluid and oils off of there, so the paint can adhere better to the metals. It was a little chilly that day, so I used a heat gun to heat them up a little bit, again for the paint to stick on aluminum. Where the brake lines screw in, that's not a stud, that's something I 3D printed to stick in there to prevent any paint from going inside the caliper. Make sure to use high heat spray cans. This is primer. I went 3 coats of primer. You can go more if you would like, just don't let it drip. This is the paint I went with. Again, 3 coats, don't let it drip, go light coats. Since these are actual Brembos, I ordered some stickers from Amazon to put on there to make them look nice. This is the important step. I used this gloss. You want to go very carefully, just spray over everything, over the sticker so it doesn't come off, and do more than 3 coats if you would like for more protection. This is how they turned out after putting everything back together, removing all the masks. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow to see the install video on Mustang.